Here I am. Oh, way too loud. That better? Yeah, that sounds better. All right. That would I the no one that's there. Um, oh, turning down the music in my ear. And bitrate is excellent today because I'm not streaming on YouTube. I don't know if I want to do that or not. Anyway, that's on. Um, hop into my server really quick. Um, I don't know if I mistyped that. Nope. There. Okay. What was I gonna do? Uh, yes. Dash Q. Soccer. Yes. Q. Uh, directly kill. All right. Anyway, big plan today. At least it's going to be to do one of two things. I need it. Um, well, latency model. Where's my settings? Settings. There you go. Yeah. But goal for today is to basically, I'm gonna turn down the really got really jazzy. Basically, we're learning Lua, so why not do the worst thing possible and do a large project and set my feet on fire? That is the goal, right? Uh, I put it right there. Oh, I put it right there. That sounds like a good place for it. Not been snapping, right? So, oh, neat. I broke things. Here, real quick. Oh, I didn't want to do it, but I can close it. There you go. Ah, docs. Ghost. Jesus Christ. It's one of those things of like, I love OBS. They are an amazing piece of software that, like, all right, I guess not quite what I wanted to do. But the fact that they have, like, they're not great for macOS, I'll admit it. But, overall for content creation, I would say that macOS like Linux is the better option, in my opinion. I don't know. I don't tell little. Right. Oh, I forgot to take off that. Next. Um, Execute. We're alright, today basically all we're gonna do is we're going to build a Lua thing that can interact with specifically this endpoint and only this endpoint, HTTP, because I don't want to deal with anything else. 192. Model. Model. 3.23B. Not the biggest model I can use. It's just the model that is fastest for the hardware I have currently in my little server, or whatever you want to call it. Um, I could run DeepSeek, I guess. It's got like I could run DeepSeek all in RAM. It's just I don't want to. Because mostly I was using Restreamer on it, but now that Restreamer broke on me, that's the reason why I'm not streaming on YouTube at the moment, which is fine. I'm not like heartbroken over it, so it's not a huge deal. But, you know, anyway. Uh, yeah. Prompt and stream off because I don't care how long it takes to me. It's good. What the heck? Oh, oh, I know it. Okay. Oh, I was missing things, and then it should take forever. But when it takes forever, it's fine. You're just loading up the model. I had to restart my server right before stream, so part of the reason why this is a problem. My voice and audio seem to be hitting right above where I want it to be. Haha. A little better. Oh, I thought about trying to make an animated GIF for the back of the terminal. Like I've seen a few animated versions of this specific image. I pulled off and run it. Rated, which my favorite game right here, for a lot of reasons. Legitimately just fun. Anyway, I am streaming. Why am I streaming? Let's see what the AI believes. why you are currently streaming. There are several reasons why you are streaming, depending on the context and what streaming means to you. Here are a few possibilities. Gaming. You're playing a video game and you feel like in the middle of an intense level or mission. Maybe you're trying to achieve a high score to defeat a challenging boss. Streaming on social media. You're currently live streaming your daily life, work, interests, platforms like YouTube Live, Twitch, or Facebook Gaming. Perhaps you're sharing expectations, thoughts, and expertise with your audience. Watching the stream. Are you watching someone else stream, such as a live stream of music, art, or entertainment? Maybe you're enjoying performance or concert. And what part of from afar? Streaming media content. Are you currently streaming video content like movies or streaming shows? Well, you know what? And what's currently happening on your experience? Done. Cool. I don't know. It's either this or the chat one, and the chat one would be easier because it allows for you know, it's not a bunch of white text. It annoys me. The chat one would technically be more of the derive that I want, but right now I kind of just want to get because I would love to have streaming WebSocket communication. That would be ideal. Right now I want to start small with REST. I send it a question, it will generate an answer and send it all back at once because that is the easiest way to deal with it. More just because I don't want to deal with constantly adding to a like do thing. I know. I could use the LLM to build the thing that I need to use, but again, not particularly what I want to do right now. So, alas, um, Lord. So let's get moving. Yeah. No. Make their make their Lua. All right. Time to do stuff. Yes. Let's add a. Let's see. Ah, cool. And it's in dark mode. That's good. Um, so it's org mode, resize ready, DMX, what are we building? Scratch buffer. Even plugin. Lua plugin file. Let's start by seeing the picture of a comment. Looks like a licensed plugin. Lua readme. Okay. Well, we're currently in the main file. All files in this folder will get executed as soon as NeoWeb starts. This is useful if you want to set key maps or auto commands regardless of requiring plugin or not. Alright. So I like here. if they require it, which I will probably, but for this plugin, we don't want to execute any code if the user has not required the plugin, therefore all code will live inside the Lua folder. Good job. All right. I don't care about loading it at the moment. We'll figure it out in a minute. They're using lazy. Figure out for Packer. Sure, it's not hard. Um, execute commands are a way to tell NeoVim to execute commands after a specific event. These events can be, for example, when NeoVim starts, when a file is written or loaded, when leaving or entering a buffer window. One of the best ways to explore NeoVim auto documentation is by using this. All right, so basically what I want to do is make a window. How about that? Let's make a window. Making a window in NeoVim via Lua script. I want to make it a little script, vertical script. Vim command v split local win. All right, cool. So let's just do a thing real quick. I'm gonna wrap it in a local func because I can. Not what I want. There we go. All right. A local function. What should I call it? Window. Make window. Local plugin. With me not knowing. Ah, okay. So it's literally just use. Okay, cool. Well, that'll be a thing we do in a second. Scrappy. I know. Nor. Also, oh, very top of the file. Oh no, let's pop over back to Reddit really quick. Um, I'll have to look at my file for 1 second. All right. Um, in Vim. You guys did Vim. All right, cool. I need to also look at my Lua plugins. Yeah. All right. That's all I need to know. Cool. Actually, now that I'm here, I can do this really quick. You like space scan. That makes sense. Failed to install that for now. Neat, cool. What? Cool. Anyway. Vim.api.invent get no hard when do the API and gets current window. Buffer local. I don't know why local. Local window buffer buff equal dot API dot what's a dot get current create auto command. Oh, create buff. Oh, for true. I'm not sure what this does, but you know, that's fine. Will harm ever come from just writing whatever you find? I forgot a line. Didn't I? E-split. CMD. Oh, now it's them.api, API dot in buffer, buffer, window win and a buff. Seems like it's setting a buffer. I'm saying variable. No, that buffer window. Let's see what it does. Okay. Nope, not a subtraction there. That's not what I wanted. Function make window. All right, coolio. Fun times. Should do this for me, right? I bet because let's see if Oh, is it because it's not in my plugins? There should be a path. Hmm. No. Interesting. I don't know. We'll figure it out. At the very least, we can just do. Wait, DWD. Alright. No, boop boop. Lua. Lua. Mage. A local main window attempts to index a nil global Vim. Neat. Neat, 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 neat. I hate that. That means I'm doing something wrong, which I hate. Ugh. Just don't know why that's happening. Oh, I know why. Actually, know why now. Never mind. I'm a dumbass. Good. I don't know why it doesn't like just removing this, but there. Now, in theory, if I went Lua require llama change. Wow. And I can now type over here. I don't know how to close whatever the fuck this is. Is it probably just a escape queue? Cool. All right. Window worked. Um, Makes sense. Now that's fun. Okay. Got that bit working, kind of. Like we can make a window. Didn't think that would work so soon. How fun. Um, oh, oh. So my title. Strange. I think that was so my time. I thought I was just building things. There we go. It's 0 viewers. Hey. Anyway, um, all right. Not quite what I wanted though, so it was pop-out window. Pop-out window? Like the float window. How do I do that in my pop? Clear, clear. Cool. Let me fig and log in. Oh, nope, not this one. Pickle. Stink. Where is it? Ah, there you go. Init display, open function require packer util float border. Ha, there we go. So use a pop-up window display. Right, and so packer uses this display. Interesting. Interesting. Um, right. Cool, cool. Well, cool. All right, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Not what I meant to do. Here's what I'm Okay. Okay. Well, we'll figure it out. Or at the very least, I can look. All right. Um, yeah, this is the initializer bit. Uh, this is just stuff I can do with it. Okay, so boop boop. Clear. English. Um, I make split window. Window just to know. Do. All right, that makes a split window. How do I do other things? Um, and then pop out. And then pop out window Lua. Pop up nim. All right. This is a requirement which implements some useful window management items for NeoVim. What do you do to make pop-ups? Let's see. Pop-up. Border require plenary. Plenary. Okay, that's useful, I guess. You just create a lot of pop-up create. Okay. What Vim options buffer type what number then buffer what? Right. I am curious. Help. Listed in Scratch creates a new empty unnamed buffer. Sets buff list, creates a throwaway Scratch buffer for temporary work. Okay. Always no modified. Always sets no mode line on the and buffer handle and a zero on error. Okay. Buffer handle or zero on enter. Buffer open Scratch. Okay, that makes sense. So righty. All right, that's interesting at least. So it does seem like Plenary has a lot of nice things. Local pop-up is just a stable. From Vim and NeoVim. Hope to merge soon in the future. Pop-up NeoVim. I am in Vim Lua. I'm curious. Bill? Pop, pop up the menu. The menu must have at least one sub-entry, but need not appear at the menu bar. Up, aim, link above, but the use position of the mouse pointer instead of the cursor. Oh, interesting. So, if I will make a file menu, if there is one up here, text cursor pointer, if the bang was used, a menu. Creates a pop-up menu that doesn't exist on the main menu bar. No, a menu that starts with will not be displayed. Alrighty, that's kind of useful. So if I just went like boop, oh, pop up fit menu names. Ah, okay. Menu names. How do I check menu names? Up with the menu name, hidden menus. All right. Help hidden menus. The default pop-up menu. GG0OG $. All right, so we go visual GG 0 G $. Wow. Pop up. No range allowed. Alright, cool. Whatever. Um, boop, boop, boop. And menus. Anyway, the selection there is kind of nice. Menu. So, at Win32 GUI, start menu name with that. Excludes the menu from the main menu bar. You must use pop-up command to display it. When splitting the window toolbar is not copied to the new window. You can define a special menu pop-up. This menu is displayed. Brightness model. If pressing mouse model, it is pop-up or pop-up. Set position. Oh, okay. Well, I know that one. That would keep popping up whenever my mouse popped up. Okay. Ah, they know our menu. You know. Okay. Well, anyway, that's not quite what I wanted, but no, I don't think at least it might be exactly what I wanted, but that's fine. Um, all right. Uh, oh, Shift O. I know that this is gonna kind of suck. Require binary. Binary. Border. Actually, yeah, we just need to require. Okay, so we just need to add the two. I don't really want to reinvent the wheel here. Okay. Nope. Clear. We're gonna go Control Command B. That button. Even. Uh, wait a minute. Hey. Okay. Well, I mean, I will trust it then, I guess. Didn't realize that was who made this, but okay. Shit. One second. Hello? 4 years ago was the last time this updated. That's comforting. Only one public fork created 8 months ago. Then, other than updating a license. Oh, all right. Let's see what this can do. Well, uh, Telegram. Sorry, no help. All right, cool. I don't know if I can. Wait, where? Yeah. All right, so go ahead and get rid of that. So, look. Utils. What utils do we have? Utils bounded, local utils, utils apply defaults, original defaults. I don't know what that one does, but cool. All right, pop up. Local pop up. Not what I meant to do. Pop up. All right, well, that's not useful if Sense isn't figuring it out, but we could figure it out. Create. Pop up to pop up dot pop up create. And we're just gonna create pop up. Options no, false. I don't know. Options empty. Oh, just past empty thing. W now. will require. Ooh. Burn, executing Lua, function require. And show. Attempt to index field pop up and no value. Pop up. Will pop up. Should just work as pop up. Irritation. Hmm. Okay. So pop up seems to be broken. 1 second. Pop up window. UM. I don't know why it's taking me to VimJP. But Vim, okay, cool. I'm glad I am in the intro, pop-up position, pop-up close, pop-up buffer, pop-up terminal. Okay. I guess we were going to be Vim scripting, technically, in Lua. That's cool. Everyone loves Vim scripting. Da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da. Da-da-da, and actually, oop. We're gonna be Vim scripting, I guess. Let's see. Hi, my pop-up window. Default color is used at P menu. If you refer to something else, use highlight. Jesus Christ. Can I get a dark mode? Do they have dark mode? Jesus Christ. HL search. Highlight is not displayed in a pop-up window. Pop-up window, window ID, like other windows. Terminal and pop-up windows. Special case for running terminal and pop-up window main rules. Okay, cool. Creating a pop-up. Pop-up create at cursor. All right, 1 second. Let me. Lua? Are these Lua or is it? No, this is Vim. Vim. So if I go. Oh, goddamn. Local. We'll just do this really quick. Vim. Um, API dot. Select pop-up menu item. Okay. Either in completion or command line completion pop-up menu is active. The API call is silently ignored. Useful for external UI. Using UI pop-up menu to control pop-up menu with a mouse can also be used in a mapping using command, map command, or Lua mapping to ensure the mapping doesn't end completion mode. RAM item index 0 based. The item to select value. Select nothing, resource section text. Insert to buffer. Insert in the buffer ignored for command line completion. Finish the completion. Dismiss the pop-up implies insert. Okay. Setters for future use. Alright. Sure. Let's try this. Item 0. Brew. Um, look for previous errors loading module. In function require. I don't have a require. Well, it didn't error, at least. That's good. But it doesn't make a creator. Okay. Oh, here. All we'll do is just go do. Yeah, not that one. Useful, but currently not good. Pop-up notification, pop-up dialogue. All right. So that's I vim dot man. Pop-up show. Up create. Not 100% of this will work, but I want to keep doing that. Pop-up create. There's no up create. Okay, is it function? It might be function. It might be under functions. So I'm under functions. Let's see. IFN. Escape I. All right, WQ. Clear. Clear. Loa. I don't have a require. What do you mean? There's no core player. Oh, well, okay. Unknown function pop-up create. Function require. Right, cool. Oh, okay. That makes more sense. There is no pop-up create. I don't know pop-up create. How to use pop-up create. How would one use? When pop-up create. Ah, buff. Get current buffer. How do I get the current buffer? All right. All right. Oh, it's a Vim API. I don't fucking think about this, do I? I'm an idiot. All right. All right. Oh, we're gonna local function make pop up. Vim dot API dot sub menu item. Okay. How to use Vim in Lua. Vim in Lua and Vim in Lua. Of the Vim script in Lua. Vim script there. Gotcha. Cool. That's what I thought. Stop doing that shit. Uh, ooh, okay, now, in theory, this bit will create this. Let pop up create. What ID? What ID? It's ID. There we go. Equal. Create. Um, hello empty buffer, which I could probably grab that buff number equal win ID. Oh, set buff set buff line buffner to literally writing off of a tutorial. Do not take credit for anything, and if this hacks your system, I'm sorry. You and bah. All right, executing Lua Vim Editor. Pop-up create track function require yes. Make pop-up editor Lua in function command in function in Vim exec 2. It doesn't like me. Oh. Unknown function. Do I need to let do? Okay. What is this? What is this? VimJP. This is Japanese Vim. Why am I in? Why? Why am I in VimJP? One second. Vim. Apparently Vim.org doesn't exist, but Vim.jp does. Right, I was like, whoop. Push forward. Okay. Make a window, but I can't make a pop-up. That's fine. Okay. Well, what we're going to do is we're just going to delete everything. There we go. Make window. There we go. Make the window. And then in this window and only in this window do I want this to happen. That command. Boom that command. Set command. There's the API. API dot. Let's see that. Minutes that I'd use this. Buffer mode given. In the set key map. Buffer local. Mode light hand. Left. Right. Up. Okay. I do kind of want the buff logo though, so buff set key map, that's fine. You there, buff. Normal mode. I know I keep searching random things, so that makes it. Patchwork. Okay, that actually makes sense. Then create auto command and enter the final scratch code. I, hey, hey, auto command. All right. The auto group. Just make sure that we're not making a ton of them. We're also exporting this thing, so it's set up. Special about this name. There's just what's happening. Wire our plugin to set up function now. When you exit and enter NeoVim, you'll see a string plugin and command line. Nice. Create a buffer using NeoVim's APM. Create listed buffer scratch. If you restart NeoVim to list the buffers, restart NeoVim and list the buffers, you will notice the buffers is created and listed correctly. Okay. Set the scratch buffer as initial buffer. You know, created a buffer. Still need to set the initial buffer. Set buffer. Alright, I know I'm very boring right now. I've been streaming for like an hour. How can we publish the extension to the world? That's easy. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Hold on 1 second. I'm just going to see a little bit times. Alright, little 5.1 script engine. Okay. Interesting. Good file type. All right, one second. We need to quickly escape, then help, and then buffer set that key map. And this is to set a local buffer. All right, now, and then set key map. Fair, normal, leader, whatever can. And then there's that. Okay. And now I need to know my options. What are my options? Options. No remap disables or crisp mapping. Like no remap descending. Okay. Tables with round integer. Table count match integer. Type integer. Yep. Okay. All right. Well, anyway. Callbacks. Make prompt. Making prompt. Okay. That makes sense. Okay. So that buffer set key map. X9. Buffer 1, load, right and left hand. Options K. 0. Alright, so it's actually do what 0 or 0 because I've just set that to be the current buffer. And normal callback prompt. There we go. I forget what these ones are supposed to be. Left hand, right hand, right? No, we'll just do space. 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 Prompt. Which, how do I get current buffer? That's my curious question right now. Function, actually local function. Fair. Okay. For now, let's just print. This will be the response. Just need to make this global. I don't need the double quotes to shit. I'm sorry. Global variable. Set key. No, wait, true callback. Short. All right. One second, I'm gonna pop over here real quick. Go blue tab. Um. Lua is an interesting language. I'm not gonna say I enjoy. And then buff key, buff set key map. Back. Mm, okay. Okay. So I'm using it correctly. I'm just misspelling shit. Gotcha. Goddamn. Me being dyslexic. Ouch. So it's space-based way, right? Like my is the sky blue. Oops, space Y. Hi, this will be the response. Look, yeah. All right. We did something. Now we just need to grab the whole buffer, all of it, which is a terrible, I don't think. Grabbing all of the text in the current buffer and pushing it into a prompt. We also need to make a get request, post request with post request with Lua. Lua socket. Okay, neat. Neat. All right. Why is sky blue? Space Y. Prompt. Neat. Now if I go here, go Q, and then I go space Y, doesn't leave it in there. That's great. Awesome. Now, space Y. Yeah. Good. Also doesn't open up another window for me. So. Yeah, that was a good dopamine hit of just making a small thing print at the bottom there. I don't know if anyone's there. No one's there. That's fine. Yeah, no one's there. Yeah. But all right. Lua thing. Printing. Um. Hmm. Which actually, you know what we're gonna do? Control Enter. Control CR. Right? I CR. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, it's just big C. Gotcha. Big C. This. Yeah. Ooh. Wonder. Apparently, that's a system thing. Did not know that. Um. Control S, Control Send. That works for me. Oh, it's because it's already required it. I need to do the thing where, yeah, anyway. I was the sky blue. Why is the sky blue? Escape, Control S. Control S. Space Y. I don't know fucking. Or I thought CS would do it. No, CS didn't work. Um, it should be one. Uh, Alright, well, Q there will. We'll figure that out in a minute. Um. Internet. Actually, you know what? I need Olama. There's one that does this already, so let's see what they do. Because in theory, what they're doing is what I would like to do similarly. But they Olama prompt, field prompt. Setting all of these things. Local prompt. All right, here was it. I'm gonna actually show you guys that you can't actually see this. So. Make sure you don't see things right at this moment. Anyway. Display capture, window capture, application capture, not OBS Studio. Now, go full screen and hit. There we go. Very. Now I need to step right quick. Command. Right there. Okay. Cool. And now we're going to bring it down really quick. Down. There we go. And now we can turn it on. Okay. There you go. I'm not responsible for how tiny the strip is, but you can look at your screen. Just look closer. Llama prompt, text prompt, original text input, input. Don't care about that bullshit. Yeah, I got F type, then bow file type, buffer text before text has buffer, column, back table, insert table, cat, callback, so prompt picker, function call, function to call, function to name, given prompt, m dot prompts, if not name or then less than one, show prompt picker. Action if exists, default display. Action. Type action require a lot of actions. Action 1 in function, action function. Parsed prompt, extract. Model prompt, input label, extract, action, parsed prompt. If not CB, okay. Plenary curl. Ah, they just curl it. Okay. Through plenary. Plenary. So I can just add plenary. Requiring curl. Host config API generate with vim.json encode model prompt stream. Okay. Stream function. Func job if stream called true. Mokar Llama util. Handle stream chunk job. Okay. All right. So, need to do plenary. That's not too big of a deal. Over here, go here, go there. All right. So, I know this isn't going to work right now, but plenary. Yes, I have curl installed. Don't worry. Local. Network. Needs working. Don't worry. It will be used. Don't worry. Function prompt. I also need to figure out how to get the buffer out of things. How do I do that? One second. I'm an idiot. I looking up the most complicated thing that I need to add a bunch of shit for. Don't worry about that. Should GG I da. Okay, so we make a window. We'll open the window basically like, hey, I want this question answered. I would like it to be a pop-up, but right now I don't see that being possible. So since pop-up isn't possible at the moment, most because of my ineptitude, not anyone else's, we're going to basically push them into a different window. Once they get to that window, let them type out their question, hit enter, and I mean, whatever the I have this controls S right now, apparently in Oregon, so need to change that one. Probably just make it space or something. I don't know. um, which honestly, space. Oh, why? Honestly, I do it at space Y, and then have an enter or whatever. Just have it as like a inline command in normal. That means I could just have like highlighted buffer and send that. That'd be fine. But anyway, right now, first problem: get buffer from current prompt window. So, feet. What's this? Oh, I don't care about this. Go away. I also don't care about that. Go away. And T. Flaw. Olama. No. Buffer. Get buffer. Get current buffer. Get current buffer content. Generally, an array of strings effectively. It's not much different than one we just learned how to get all lines in our string. There's the API calls, which is a cheap one though. Doesn't matter in my opinion. Not the kind of performance things you would need to worry about for a plugin generally either. Table concat is efficient, but your custom function is almost as performant as a deal. And you'll get all lines and see. Okay, that's great to know. Um, let's see how that goes. Oh, we're just gonna get. Actually, we're gonna make that its own little thing because it'll be easier. Um, local function buffer to string grab buffer. That's what I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it grab buffer. Grab buffer equals function. The current window. Current local. Local function, nope, not function. Control U, command U. There we go. Keyword. Local. All right. Buffer equals API dot in buff get buffer line. So current buffer start current 0 -1 false. Okay, what I was supposed to do. And then return um, Oh, do I need? Yeah. Never mind. I know exactly why. It's a returning function. I need to. Yep. That makes sense now. Hmm. And so that grabs the buffer. Then print buffer. Yeah, I've already used it. I know there's a more efficient way to do this, but I'm just lazy. Why is the sky blue? Space space Y. Space space Y. Fuck. Invim get line grab buffer. Okay. Invalid buffer ID 1001. Neat. That's not expected to go wrong, but hey, things go wrong all the time. Oh. Honestly, if I use the Olama Envim here, I have an MIT license, so I'm not doing anything illegal. Um, -1 should be the ending, but you know what? Fuck it, we'll slap in you. Offlines that count. Okay, so that is what I wanted there. All right. So I should return the integer of the current buffer just because I'm paranoid. L up high. Why is the sky blue? It's just jazzy as all hell. Offline count. Buffer ID 1001. Ah, okay. So it's just saying that no buffer. Gotcha. My buffer ID is strange to them, huh? How odd. How odd. Just see what happens. So I would like it to be dynamic, not just. Oh no, my phone is going to die in 10 minutes. Not really, but was there? Wrong side of that cord. There you go. Ah, continuity maintained. Was it? Sorry. Sorry. Gotta turn on those reactions. Reactions are still on. Background is still on. Center stage is on. Good. So, yeah, everything good. We'll see how this goes. Shift WQ, pop back up. That L up. Y is. Why is this? Ooh. Why is a sky blue? Good. Good. It didn't give me the first bit, but it probably did. It just scrolled it past. So now we'll have to append it to the current buffer. Not a huge deal. I'm sure that's not terribly difficult. Hell, you know what? We'll even do it the hard way. We'll just go grab buffer. All right. It assumes it's the current buffer. Oh, prompt text. Bib dot API dot buff append get offset. Get line, set key map, add highlight, attach buffer, send buffer. Ooh, that sounds promising. Control activates buffer update events on a channel or as Lua callbacks. Example, Lua captures a buffer update in a global events variable. Use vim.print events to see its contents. Insert events. Buffer, I'm assuming. If the initial notification should contain the whole buffer, first notification will be in Vim buff lines event. Else, first notification will be in Vim buff change tick event. Not for Lua callbacks. All right. So now I want to see an example of this bit. Oh yeah, you can see my mouse right there. This. I want to see more of that. That seems promising. So let's see if there's just a straight up append, and if there is, then all right. So this one, promising. Add highlights clear, delete user, key map is set valid, stern mark, set text, debug. Oh, so no, never mind, it is just sig text. I can just set the text. Replaces a range in the buffer. Recommended over buff set lines when only modifying parts of a line. As extra marks will be preserved in non-modified parts of the touched lines. Indexing zero-based row indices are inclusive. I think it's just gonna be that we're just gonna go I and A, A, A. There you go. Attach. Then current buffer events. I'll just send empty table. And then function. Oh, spur. All right, one second. Help. I'm sure this is what I was looking at with the. I just want to make sure. Buff attach. If that's a better example. It might. It doesn't. Okay. Buffer, send buffer, and options, options. Okay, so events, table insert events. Okay. I don't know what table insert events that does. I don't know what this does. Capture buffer updates in global events. Online's function. Okay. Uh, hmm. Okay. Okay. Let's see. So this is via thing similar to that. Gotcha. 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 We're then okay. So skipping that one for a bit. Okay. I want to verify this because I am skeptical that I will do it correctly, but ideally it will be fine. And if I go Shift Q, this will just be online. So I oh, oh, on lines, 'cause, you know. insert, not concat. I'm an idiot. That's fine. And okay. So first off, 1, 2, 3. A. Insert list prompt text into oh string to parameter table, not match table. So table needs to be first and string in seconds. Gotcha. I gotcha. Okay, so now I need to actually just grab the buffer. Oh, okay. This seems like it won't work. Okay. Is this a blue a space Y? Prince it. Didn't do anything to the fucking buffer. All right. Hmm. Hmm. All right. Well, I didn't use it properly. Lo and behold, my hypothesis was correct. I am an idiot. Always error on the side of you are an idiot. Then you will be fun surprised when you're not. Insert text into current buffer from a function. Okay, Jesus Christ. I knows that overflow can sense my thing. Alright, cool. Substitute. Alright, well, that's not what I want. This was for buffer and zim. Function hello. Local position, get cursor. Local line, get current line. Local inline, local sub zero position, hello line, pose on. Okay, that was very similar to what they're saying. Use set line. All right. Okay. Hmm. Um, I'm curious. Also, I need to clear, don't I? I'll make that one second. I'll go clear limit. No. And why? None. Don't worry about it. Um, okay. Alright. Oh, well. Hey. Whoa, right. Them. That's what I want. Oh, I'm a chat. 1 second. We're gonna up the help really quick. Help because I forget what the fuck the requirements. I know inventory requirements don't work. I'm getting it. Help and then create user command. User command and there you are. Say hello, echo hello world. All right, so I just need to put in main and then command execute when user is. So it can also be a Lua function. Function is called with a single table argument that contains the following keys, names, args. When more than one argument is allowed, if any f args, nargs. Bang. Okay. Um, you know, no one watching, but making progress on the thing I wanted to make progress on. So, yeah. Mm, didn't need any function. We are no functions. Okay, we're good. I think we're good. Oh, the last one, bank fee true. Oh, okay, no, doesn't need to be true. Optional. Okay. Um, ew. Bad. Now, now if I do this, I don't need this. My only concern is I'll just make like 100 buffers. But if I go require a llama chat. Okay, good. Shouldn't do anything. Technically, but it should have made the O. To WQ on it. Clear, do. All up. Now I should have. Ayo. Why is the sky blue? Sky blue. Should have done the thing. Did not do the thing. Not doing anything. Did I break it? Oh, I know why it's not doing the thing. Llama chat. Why is the sky blue? Why is the sky blue? A scabish. Why? Why is the sky blue? We are good. We are golden. Why? Cool. W Q. If you want to save it, you can that way, I guess. That's nice. That's functional. Nifty little bit of thing you can do. Hey, so I now have it so I can just do the thing. I've loaded it in. It's good. It's ready. It's gone. Technically not. I have to reload it every time I change it, so it's gonna suck that way. But at the very least, I can remember what was and wasn't working. Okay. So set lines. Let's do some. Okay. No, either. Um, In Vim set lines, right? What? Boop, boop. In Vim buff set lines. Zero base and exclusive. Negative indices are interpreted as length plus one, index minus, or plus index. Refers to this index past the end. So to change or delete the last element, use start -2 and -1. To insert lines at a given index, set start and end to the same index. And to delete range of lines, set replacement to an empty array. Out of bounds these are clamped to the nearest valid value unless strict indexing is set. Not allowed when text lock is active. Buffer start strict indexing whether out of bounds would be an error. Okay. I want to append. I want to literally just stick on a block of text. That's the problem. I want to append text. I did specify append. It's insert. I want to append text into another. So write a word inside a buffer and append it to an existing content. Here's a syntax given. Write file to, okay, to do it in a file. To do it in a just buffer. A buffer. Add highlighted text to a buffer. A little better. Add text lines to a already existing file. No. Insert a text at the beginning of the file's buffer every time. Insert content from Lua. Let's see what this one does. Buff set text. All right. All right. Fucking the help bug guy got me that one too. Cool. Set replaces a range in the buffer. Recommended, however, set lines when only modifying parts of a line. As extra marks will be preserved. Index 0 base row indices are exclusive column indices are indexes. To insert text at a given row, column location. Use start row, end row, and start call, end call, equal call. To delete the text in range, use replacement. Empty. or for buff set lines if you're already adding or deleting entire lines, or in the input if you just want to insert at the cursor position. Okay. What? Lines type after follow. All right. Puts text at a cursor in any mode. Compare put to p, which are always line-wise. Allowed when text locked is active. Read file style, list of lines, channel lines, edit behavior, get read. Type salt lockwise. Visual B3 charwise, linewise. Guess set reg. All right. Okay, so it would literally be lines. List of lines. Okay. So if I wanted to, I would just go. Oh, um, m API dot m put lines. Let me prompt text. Prompt text is then going to be type, which will just be guess. Then it will be. I don't remember. Fuck. Line-wise also would probably be better. Clear. Yes. For true. Okay. Okay. I line through through. But I'm an idiot sometimes, don't you know? Oh, looks good stuff. Shift A, text, prompt X, that one line wise. Through, through. Oh, dope. Okay, now I can go, oh, llama. Shift, oh, llama. And then I can go, Y, if I is the sky blue. One line. Alrighty then. Y is the sky blue. Escape. Space Y. Ooh. Line wise. Tree. Fuck it. Goes there. I'll just go over here. Go. You. This is the interpreted language, right? So. Right. Alrighty. Well, not bad. Not bad at all. Did I make it carriage return? Carriage return. 1 second. Carriage return leader. I know it's taken me 2.5 hours to get to a place where I make a window and paste text into it. But hey, we're getting there. I haven't even made the line, which I need to learn how to do planary. You know. Anyway, shift Q. Escape Q. Where am I? Oh, I'm in my browser. I need to go over here. Q. Create buff. Okay. Buff dot name. And name it. Name the buff. Okay. First off, Olama chat. We'll get there. Okay. Now we are going to get grab buffer, make prompt. So that we're gonna pop up here, a town, done the above text, make the post. Oh, now comes the issue. Actually, no, this will be easier. I can do. We can do this. This is actually really easy. Um, okay. So make the post call. We have the aggregator function basically. Um, which if we want to, we could literally just loop on, or this is basically stream the data into stream the data on query response until done all the but pudding. No, is that pudding? It's put. Please. But stream the data on every response until well stream the data on every response cut until put all put need to guarantee a buffer. And I wanted to, I could make this a context context chat technically, but that would be a complex, not really complex. It would just be a parsing manager, and I don't want to deal with that right now. No, it looks like there's a generally decent way to do that in Lua. I don't know though. I'm not gonna get too big in the weeds right now. So ideally, what will happen? We'll just do some quick oop oh. Um, let's get equal role generate post generate file. Get data. equal done. And response a two, two, like boom boom done. Oh, and um well, that doesn't do a thing. Good, done. All right. Then, bum, bum, the 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 bum, bum. Okay, now I know what I'm doing there, at least. Hopping over here. Oh, hey, my least favorite Lua quirk. I don't know. I haven't run into many of them. I've started Lua code programming like today. Um, legitimately, I don't do much with Lua. I'm only making it. I am only dealing with it for a NeoVim plugin. Um, I honestly don't like a lot of the syntax, but other than that, if that answers your question there, Wolfie bites. But I don't know. Legitimately, I don't even know if you're still watching, so yeah, didn't notice you there. But yeah, overall syntax is just a mess. Like it makes sense, but the fact that that's a parameter key value thing, I don't know. Not a big fan of it, but not a terrible language. Pretty lightweight, which is nice. Um, anyway, okay. But anyway, uh, I think I'm gonna end it here because I'm getting tired. Oh, I'm getting tired. I need to brush my teeth. But um, seeing it come through. Um, but anyway, um, okay, I don't need these anyway. We'll do that then. Also distance myself from them.apn. I know it's through. There you go. All right, and think that's where I'm gonna leave it for now. So goodbye, I guess. Um, and I hope whoever was watching or whoever watched got their answer. I don't like Lila. I'm legitimately coming to that conclusion. I don't like Lila. It seems like a fun language to like really get fun at, but I don't know. It's a strange time. Not sure if I like it or not. I don't know. I just feel like I want to do something with my editor, and then once I do, probably will hate it, never use it. But you know, it's fine. Otherwise, good night. Have fun.